guys, it's been such a long time since I've done a video. It's been like 3 months, but I've been hectic, busy doing a whole bunch of stuff. But here I'm back with this Amazon wig. I just decided to do a half up, half down because I always like a middle part or a side part. So I'm trying to venture out and do something different. So here you see me do like a half up, half down. It is a little bumpy because my braid pattern underneath is not the best. So if you guys like this look, just keep watching, or if you guys want to see how I install this look, keep watching. So here's the construction of the unit. For all my big head friendly girls, this unit is perfect. I did lightly pluck and also bleach the knots. I did not dye this hair. It came in a dark black color already, which I love. So it's easy, ready to go. I wish I did pluck the hair a little bit more because as you see later on in the video, I end up cutting the front of the plucked area that I pre-plucked. So yeah, I should have went in a little bit more and plucked. But here you can see the hairline. It was looking good right here. And now we're just going to use the Hold Me Down by Erica J bonding glue, and then I'm going to spray a little bit as well.
Touch me when you want. Touch me when you want. Drop it, drop it, drop it.
Sorry, can't answer your call at the moment, cause she really
got me focused on her. Wow, you ain't even trying. Girl, do you feel me now? Hey, I'm trying to get to you. You know you want me too, and I know how you want it. Ooh. Hello. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Test me when you feel, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey, test me when you feel, test me when you feel, baby. 문자를 줘, baby. 생각이 날 때 시간 내서 갈게. And beyond the rocks, maybe. Then we can show me how you show me how you Hey, touch me when you.
So I wanted to try a different look. So I wanted to do a half up, half down instead of just a middle part or a side part like my previous videos. I'm trying to venture out and explore this year a new look, a new style, and different hair looks. So this is just me trying it out on camera. So please don't come for me because this is my first time trying it. This is a lesson learned.
Touch me when you want. Touch me when you want. Drop it, drop it, drop it.
sorry, can't answer your call at the moment, cause she really
got me focused on her. Wow, you ain't even trying. Girl, do you feel me now? Hey, I'm trying to get to you. You know you want me too, and I know how you want it. Ooh.
So here I'm just starting to flat iron and curl the hair. I'm so excited about this product that I'm going to launch on my business. This is a portable flat iron. You don't need any wires or anything. It's wireless. It has 45 minutes of use each time. It heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm so excited to launch this product. And I'm also going to have a curling iron as well that is portable as well. And this is so easy. I do not have to worry about using cords, cording it in. All I gotta do is turn it on. It's so bomb. Anyway, you see me here curling this unit. Like, it's been 3 months since I posted a video because my business went viral, and I'm just so excited about the future of my business and future endeavors that I have coming up. That's why I've been so busy. I haven't been doing these videos, but I'm so excited about what the future holds, especially in my businesses. This is one of the new products that's coming, and I have another business venture I'm starting as well. So your girl has been busy. She has been tired. She has been working a lot. But I'm forever grateful. I'm forever grateful for everyone who watched my videos and also who has purchased products from me. This has been my dream come true, and I'm so grateful for it. So yeah, keep watching. Oh, and this is the curling iron. So this is the wand curl, but I'm gonna have a regular curling iron as well. I'm gonna launch the curling iron first, and then I'm gonna do this wand curl. See, I love it because there's no cords. A half up, half down kind of look. But my braid is not the flattest, so if it was flatter, it would look better. But I have to redo my braid pattern underneath the wig. But yeah, this is just something really cute, too quick to put on. Just something effortless. I didn't have to do too much plucking. I did bleach the knots on this wig. The wig did come in 2 days, and it's already jet black. I don't have to color it. All I did was bleach it, wash it, and plucked a little bit, very lightly at the top. But so yeah, this is just a light, quick install. I'm gonna get back to doing more videos. It's been a while since I've done videos. I have a new product coming out. So it's my portable flat iron that you see me use in this video, and also the portable curling irons. So if you guys support my hair brand, my hair tool brand, Prim V Beauty. I'm gonna put everything in the description box. But yeah, so yeah, if you guys like this, please like and subscribe, and give me other recommendations. I will be doing a skincare video and other videos coming up, and business videos, but this is just a quick little hair review that I got from Amazon. So yeah, quick and easy to install. I literally did this in like 10 minutes.